So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today in this video I am going to show you about the Google Doc interface. So friend, first of all, what we will do, first of all, we are going to open Google Doc. So friend, here you can see this is my sample Google Doc, and here we are talking about the interface. After that I will make full video for this topic. So friend, here first of all we are going to open this file tab. So friend, here you can see the first option to you can easily share your document with your colleague and anywhere. Okay, second option, here you can create new document like document, spreadsheet and presentation file and forms. So this is the second option to make new document like this. Okay, so friend, here you can see the open option. For example, if you want to open any document, you simply open it from upload, and if maybe you have uploaded your document in your Google Drive, so you can directly open here. So now friend, we can talk about the make a copy. For example, if you want to make the copy of this document, then you can do very easily. If you want to send email this file, you can simply select here, so this will directly send email to your colleague. If you want to download, convert your file in any format like PDF, docx, Microsoft Word file and TXT file, zip file, you can do that. And here you can see the other option to make available offline. If you want to work with your Google Doc with offline, then you can do very easily. Coming tutorials, we will see all the things step by step. So friend, if you want to change or add new version of your document, then you can see, and also you can see the document versions over here. We will also discuss about these things in future, so you will learn something new and you will rename your document very easily. If you want to move your document from one folder to second folder or another folder, you can do very easily. If you want to add the shortcut to Drive, for example, if someone want to open your document by the shortcut link, then you can do that. Move to trace option to you can directly delete your document from your Drive, and that will move to your trash folder. If you want to publish your content to the web, then you can directly do that. So that will generate the file for the web. Here you can see the document details. If you want to check the document details like this, so that details will show you the location, owner, modify, created, all the things you can see very easily. So friend, right now we can see the another option to change language. If you want to change the language of your document, then you can do very easily. So here we will see all the things step by step. Here you can see the page setup. For example, if you want to set up your page like margin, orientation, page size, all the things you can change over here with the page color. We will see with the detailed things, so upcoming videos we will cover up all the things step by step. So fine friend, here you can see the print option. If you want to print the page, you can do very easily here, and we will change all the things with the page settings. So friend, this is the way to you can check all the things, and upcoming videos we will cover all the part and all the things step by step. Here we are talking about the interface of the Google Doc, which things are providing by Google Docs, right? Here you can see friend the edit thing here, undo, redo, cut, copy, paste with the formatting, without formatting, you can do very easily. Select all the things, find and replace by these things, right? We will see all the things, the edit panel, so you will get the complete information about how to use it. Here you can see the third option to view. Here you can see print layout mode. Here you can see the mode of the editing, suggesting and viewing. Here you can change your document views. Also you can see the text width, show rulers, show document outline, show equation toolbar and show section breaks full screen. Upcoming videos we will see all the things step by step, so you will get the perfect idea about it. Here you can see the insert tab. What things you can see over here? Google Docs is providing us to upload images from your Drive, photos, URL, camera. You can do very easily, and also you can search images on the web and you can directly put your images over here. We will also cover these things step by step. So friend, if you want to create the table by this tool, you can simply insert your table. Here you can see the drawing option. If you want to add the drawing, then you can simply add here. We will show you step by step what is drawing and how you can add into your Google Doc. Here you can also see the chart like bar, column, line, pie from your Google Sheet. You can easily put over here, so we will cover into upcoming tutorials. If you want to add the horizontal line, you can simply click here and you will get many options and you can easily add a horizontal line. If you want to put the date and all, you can simply click here, so you will get the date option, so you can implement that into your document. Here you can see the footnote. If you want to add the footnote, then you can use this shortcut key, or also we will add in detailed videos, so you will get the perfect idea about what is footnote and how to use it. Here you can also see the building blocks. If you want to create the building blocks, then all the things we will cover into upcoming future videos, so you will get the perfect idea about. So friend, here you can see the special character. If you want to add this into your Google Docs, so you can use it and you will find out many special characters are available, so you can easily put into your document. We will cover it. Equation option, if you want to add the equation, you can easily use it. Watermark option is available right now. You can easily watermark your document, so no one can copy your document. We will see this tutorial step by step in upcoming tutorial. Here you can see the header footer things. If you want to add it header and footer, then you can easily do here. We will cover it in upcoming tutorial, so you will get the perfect idea about it. Here you can see the page numbers. If you want to add the page numbers and page count, you can easily see over here and you will get the more options available from your Google Docs, so you can do that. Now you can see the break option. If you want to add the page break and remove the page break and continuous page break, you can do that. Here we will cover step by step. Now you can see friend the link option. If you want to link your document on for the website, you can simply select your tags and you can add that tags with the website and external doc like new document. You can easily do that. If you want to do comment option, if someone is connected with you and they want to add the comment, then you can easily get the idea about the comment things. You can also add the comment on the document. We will cover it. Bookmark option is very important. You can easily bookmark headings and all. You can do into this, and that option we will see. If you want to create the table content, what is table content? Table content is one kind of your book, so you can see the book of the table index, so you can see the chapter name and pages. That type of table content you can make in Google Doc. We will see in detail things, so you get the perfect idea about it. Now you can see the format tab. Here you can see friend the text format. You can easily do bold, italic, underline and superscript. All the things you can do very easily. Paragraph option, you can easily style your bordering and shading. You can do very easily, and also you can change the normal tags and headings, and more options are available. We will do step by step. Here you can see friend the align indent like left, right, justify, center and all things you can do. And here we can see the column option. If you want to do the column option for your document, you can increase and decrease the columns into your document. Also available like checklist and bullets and numbers. You can easily put over here and you can do that. And friend, here you can see the change the formatting of your header, footers, page numbers, page orientation. You can easily implement it and you can do very easy. Also you can see the table formatting. If you want to add table formatting, you can do that. Also you can add the image formatting, and also you can clear all the formatting from your document very easily. So in this part we will cover all the formatting things, so you will get the perfect idea about it. Here also you will get the tools option. Google Docs is providing very advanced tools option. So friend, here you can easily check your grammar, word count, review suggestions, edits and comparison document. You can easily compare your two documents with the changes and all the things you can do. And also you can see the linked object and dictionary, translate your document. You can easily translate your document very easily, so you can do in change very languages. Every languages you can change over here. Google Doc is providing these features. And if you want to do the typing, voice typing, for example, if you are talking something, that will automatically type into your document. We will see these things. Also you can get the preference option and accessibility settings. We will see in detail video, so you will get and how you can use it. So right here you can see the add-on option. If you want to add your add-on and remove your add-on from your Google Docs, so you will see that, and what is the Google add-ons and how we can use it. We will see in detail video, so you will get the perfect idea about it. Now you can see the help section. So friend, here you can easily use and search the tool and all. So here you will get the perfect idea about it, how to use it, and Google Docs is providing the complete detail about it. But don't worry about it. You not want to read all the things. We will make the video for that, so you will get the perfect idea about it. So friend, here you can see this is the tabs option of the menu. You have seen all the things. Now I'm going to show you the another option. So friend, here you can see this is the toolbar, and here you can do the undo, redo, print and grammar checking and pen format. You can do very easily. If you want to increase or decrease the page size and zoom out, then you can do very easily. You can see your document size over here. So friend, this is the way to you can easily increase and increase the zoom and zoom out of your document. So here we have added to 100%, so you can see over here. Normal text, if you want to change the title, subtitle, heading things, you simply add over here, so that headings will change automatically. If you want to change the format of your font, you can simply add or remove the format. You can also change the font into your document very easily. If you want to increase the size of your font, you can easily increase and increase. Here you can see the increase and decrease the font size very easily. If you want to remove the bold and italic, if you want to do highlighting, all the things like you can do that. And also you can change the color of your font very easily. And here you can see the another option to link your website or doc, external doc, you can do that. If you want to insert the images, you can directly put over here, and this is very easy option available, so you can do that. Upcoming videos we will cover all the tools into here and show you step by step what things are providing from the Google Doc with the interface, so you can get the perfect idea about it, what things are available into Google Docs and how you can use it. So friend, upcoming videos we will see all the things step by step, so friend, you will learn something new. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because we uploading this type of tutorials every day, so friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video and learn something new. So friend, stay tuned with me. Now we are going to move to another tutorial of Google Docs. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me.